Hi everyone, today we are going to be doing a 5 a.m. makeup tutorial. This is something that I used to do when I had to wake up at 5 a.m. to get ready for work, and I was just really not in the mood to do much, but I wanted to look a little bit more alive than I felt. So this is very quick, very easy. I have 5 products and an eyelash curler, no brushes, and it'll take probably about 3 to 5 minutes, but it makes a huge difference in how I feel. Okay, so I'm gonna start with concealer. This is the L'Oreal True Match Crayon Concealer, and this isn't one that is amazing or, you know, like I wouldn't recommend this over any other type of concealer. It just matches my skin pretty well. And I only use it under my eyes. I don't use concealer all over my face. So I just go in the inner corner like that. I don't even go in the outer corner because I feel like there's enough product for me to sort of blend it. And everything I do is gonna be with my fingers today. The inner corner is the darkest part of my under eye, so that's the part I like to get. I don't go in with a corrector first because I just don't have time. And I don't put concealer on my eyelid because I'm not going to be using eyeshadow. And concealer tends to crease if I'll put it on my eyelid and don't set it with a powder. Next is the Pure Minerals Pressed Mineral Makeup. This one has an SPF of 15. This is a compact. As you can see, it is well loved. And this is one of the only types of foundations that I use on my skin. I always use a mineral foundation on my skin because liquid foundations tend to make me break out. I don't know exactly what it is about them, but I can use cream blushes and bronzers, but for some reason if I put a liquid foundation on my face, I can expect to break out within a week, if not that day. So I always use a mineral compact. I like compacts because they're easy to take with you, throw it in your bag, you're good to go. But I do realize that for deeper skin tones, mineral makeup isn't always the best option. So there are plenty of cream products out there that are a good alternative if you want to use a compact and your skin is deeper than mine. So I just take it on my finger and I put it on areas of my face that I have some pigmentation. My finger helps melt the product into the skin. You know, mineral products are very creamy and they love moisture. So it's really easy to blend them into your skin if your skin is well moisturized. So that's foundation done. I'm just going to curl my eyelashes. This is a Shiseido eyelash curler. I feel like this is the thing curling my lashes because my lashes are very, very straight. And that wakes me up the most. And then putting on mascara. And this is the L'Oreal Double Extend Beauty Tubes mascara. I really like it because it's a tubing mascara. It's really easy to take off at the end of the day and it doesn't flake on me. The only thing is I can't wear mascara on my bottom lashes because no matter what kind of mascara it is, long lasting, waterproof, tubing mascara, it will flake or break down and come off at some point during the day. So I just leave my bottom lashes bare. Now, some of you may feel like you need to fill in your eyebrows. I don't fill in my eyebrows, but I just go in with this clear gel. This is the 24-hour brow setter from Benefit. This stuff is like a miracle worker. I love how this just bulks up my eyebrows. Do you see the difference? The more you can build it up, there will be a point where it will sort of start having too much buildup and you will be able to see the clear gel but it takes a while for that to happen. But I can really make my brows a lot fluffier and just look a lot thicker with just this product. And I don't have, you know, like really bold eyebrows either, but I love how this just grooms everything. And by brushing them up, it makes me look more awake too. I just really like that, especially at 5 a.m. Or if you're just really tired. And then last but not least, this is my favorite part. This is the Milk makeup. This is a stick, and it's a blush and a lip and cheek stick. This one is in Quickie. I love this color. It looks really like dark in the tube, but I just put that on and it gives just a really natural pink flush. I especially love this for winter time because the color is so good. It's like one of those very rich berry toned colors. I'll actually take some here, and it fades out into just this soft flush of color. Just love that. It's a little bit dewy. And then I'm gonna take a little bit, just taking some from the top. And then I'm just going to go ahead and take some perfume. This isn't, you know, part of the makeup tutorial or anything, obviously, but this is something that helps wake me up too in the morning. And this fragrance in particular, Coco Noir, this is a great office fragrance. It's a great boss fragrance. It's something that I wear when I want to feel like I can tackle the day. So I love spraying on fragrance, particularly in the morning time. So that's it. I feel so much more awake and alive, and I feel like I've taken some time for myself. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next week. Okay, bye-bye.